Add an AI callback button to any site with no code and no call center. Add a simple form to your site and let AI take over.
Hiya, Susan. This is Chloe calling from Swift Connect.
In this video, you'll learn how to add a lead capture form to your website. Set up a Zapier trigger to call leads via Awaz AI. Map form fields like name and phone to Awaz AI. Instantly trigger AI voice calls to new leads. And an optional enhancement on how to add a delay to follow up later. All in under 5 minutes. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. An Awaz AI account where you also get a 14-day free trial and $10 credit. A website builder like Webflow, Wix, or WordPress. And a free Zapier or Make.com account to connect the flow. Let's start by building a simple form on your website. In Webflow, open the Add panel and drag in a form block to your page layout. Next, customize the form by adding input fields for first name, last name, and phone number as needed. Here's a tip: keep your form short and focused. Fewer fields often lead to higher conversions. Once your form is ready, click Publish and push it live to your selected domain. And just like that, your capture form is live and ready to go. Let's connect it to Zapier so it can trigger a voice call automatically. Log into your Zapier account and click Create a Zap. For the trigger, select the app where your form was built. This could be Webflow, Typeform, or WP Forms, and choose New Form Submission as the trigger event. Zapier will now listen for any new submissions from your form. Next, it's time to set up the action. Search for Awaz AI in the Action app field. Then, for the event, select Make a Call. This is what allows Zapier to instantly trigger a phone call through Awaz whenever your form is filled. In this step, we'll connect Webflow, track form submissions, and set up the Awaz AI action to automate the process. First, connect your Webflow account and select the relevant site from the drop-down list. Then, choose the specific form you wish to track. Zapier will retrieve the most recent form submission. You can preview the form data, like first name, last name, and phone number, to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click Continue with selected record to proceed. Connect your Awaz AI account by selecting it from the list of accounts. Next, in the configuration section, choose the inbound agent who will handle the call by selecting the appropriate option. Then map the contact name and phone number fields using data from your form or trigger step. This ensures the call reaches the correct recipient. Zapier allows you to test the setup. You'll see the agent ID and the sample phone number displayed. Simply click Test to confirm everything is working as expected. Here's a live demo. Just fill in your details and submit the form. Then, head over to Zapier and run a test on the call step. In seconds, your AI agent will give you a call, ready to talk and handle the conversation. It's that simple. In this step, let's see how to add a delay using Delay by Zapier to pause the workflow before the next action. To set up a delay, first, add the Delay by Zapier action to your workflow. Next, choose the action event for Delay by Zapier to define how the delay works. Select what suits your workflow and move on. Then, choose how you want the delay to work. Enter a fixed value for a set delay, or click Insert Data to use dynamic input from an earlier step. This allows the delay to adjust automatically based on user-submitted information. Once set, test your Zap to ensure the delay functions correctly. In this section, we'll see some additional best practices, like personalizing your AI calls and tagging demo leads, that can significantly improve engagement and help you stay organized. For better engagement, use personalized scripts in your AI's freestyle prompt. This ensures the AI uses the contact's name and other relevant details to create a more personalized experience. For example, we personalize the message by incorporating the lead's name using the contact name variable. This makes the conversation feel more tailored and natural, allowing the AI to greet the lead by their name. Another best practice is to tag demo leads separately inside Awaz for easier tracking. By adding a tag, you can quickly categorize and filter leads based on their interests and follow-up needs. For example, we create a tag called Demo Lead with a clear description and it's automatically applied to any lead who fills out the demo request form. Once tagged, this lead can trigger actions like an AI callback, scheduling a demo, or launching follow-ups through Zapier. If your AI isn't calling leads, here are a few quick things to check. First, ensure your agent is set to inbound. This lets it respond to new lead submissions. Second, verify that phone numbers include the country code. Without it, calls may fail. And lastly, make sure your Zap is turned on. It's a simple switch, but easy to miss. That's it. You're now all set to start using AI callbacks on your website. Start your free trial at Awaz AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Need help? Check out our Help Center for step-by-step guides or chat with our support team anytime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!